we developed a kind of game over the years with my daughter. We used to search, I told her that this universe which we live in is based on mathematics, and you can find mathematics everywhere. And this is why we learn in the school mathematics, so we can understand the universe better, understand our world better. And we use it in the daily, when we pay our bills, or when we get our salaries, or when we buy something, we use mathematics. We count the money as well, but nature is built also on mathematics. This is what I explained to my daughter. And our little game is that whenever we go out in nature, we search for Fibonacci numbers. Fibonacci numbers are very special numbers where this is a sequence of numbers, and it increases, and it starts with 1 and then 2, and the next one is always the next number is always the sum of the previous two. So 2 and 1 is 3, and then 3 and 2 is 5, and then 8, 13, and so on. And we've been writing down these numbers, that these are our special numbers we search for. And we've realized that there are many flowers which have the blooms have like one bloom, or 3 or 5, and we collected, and we have a collection of these flowers, and there are incredible amount of flowers which have this characteristic. And we have like 13 blooms, one with 13, and one with 21, and so on. And it's a very funny game. For example, we've looked the Snail House as well, and how it and I was writing her down how we can draw this this shape based on the number of the Fibonacci's. And we have checked we've counted the cone, the bottom of the cone of a pineapple cone, and there've been also 13 lines where it builds up itself. And this is magnificent. It was a lot of fun. For example, bush branches. We've been counting the leaves on the bush branches, and we find like, oh, this is 13 and this is 8. Wow! And we've been collecting, and she was like, wow, Papa is excited, and this is so funny, and oh, yeah, let's try this flower. And it was a very entertaining program for us, and we've been practicing a little mathematics, and she comes close to understand that this universe is so magical, and mathematics is so important that it could help her to find this part of the world, this rational part of the world built in nature, and the beauty of it as well. I hope it was joyful for you. You understood more or less what I meant. And if you have any questions, just write me, and try it out with your kid. Go out and search for these numbers and have fun.